Hello everybody, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use the Eco Mode on a 2013 Toyota Avalon. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the center console, and right next to the shifter there should be a selection of modes for your car, and one of them is going to be Eco Mode. So, in order to activate this feature, just press the Eco right here, and next to the speedometer it should display the Eco Mode is on. So basically what the Eco Mode does is it will drive in higher gears when you're driving, and what that does, it maximizes your fuel efficiency and your gas mileage. So yeah, that is it for this tutorial. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.